Hey YouTube, Cooper's Automotive YouTube channel, 2001 Toyota 4Runner, 3.4 liter, leaking radiator. Very rusty system. I'll show you there, but we're going to get this thing out, show you how we do it. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Right up in the front right here, push pieces. These are broken already, but normally you just push these tabs in and remove this front grill piece right there. After you've removed that, you've got underneath the car, I've already drained it. Pull your bottom hose. Two clamps going to your transmission cooler lines. And then right here we're going to have, I think these are 12s or 13s. Two here and two in the bottom of that radiator right there. Also on the very bottom underneath the fan shroud is some clips on a piece so that you can pull it with the fan shroud and all as one unit. Let's see what kind of success we have here of getting this out. I've already got the upper hose off, lower hose off, and those transmission cooling lines off of there. Let's see. They are 12 mil. I'm going to shoot a video, I think, a little later on an oldie Chevy Camaro. Been sitting a long time, crank, no start, and battery was dead. Pretty much obvious when they've set that long. And try to charge the battery, see if it's any count, and then make a few comments on that one. It's going to be kind of funny what I tell you about previous comments. If you're curious about what I'm talking about, go back and look at my video on the Ford Explorer. I think it was a 92 fuel pump diagnosis. Someone's like, hey, try this, try that, try the other, and if that don't work, I'm like, really? Why not diagnose it? And of course, you know, us seasoned auto mechanics, we know when someone doesn't know what they're talking about. I'm loosening up this dryer on the AC. They can always learn stuff, there's no doubt about that, and I don't mind doing that. We love to learn. Those are the OEM tool bolt retainers there. Can you see those in my pictures? Yeah. Magnetic stick, 4 or 6 inches, 6.5 inches around. All right, should be one right down here. Now I'm gonna have to flush this out when I get done. I can set out. Really bad. I think I've got them all. It kind of hinges in there on a couple little metal tabs on the front. Right here. And right here on the side. Now I don't think the condenser is bolted to this one. It's not. This is really simplified. Anyway, I have to get those 12s out and pull your radiator out. Like I said, just repeating myself. Transmission cooler lines underneath the bottom. Radiator there. Now you can take off this fan shroud, 10 mils right there. I think my battery's going dead on this one. Let's swap batteries. Uh-oh, my technician's got all my other batteries. Okay. We're gonna have to go talk about getting my batteries back. This one has just completely died. Pause video, grab a battery. I'll be right back. Okay, I confiscated my battery back. There's your fan shroud. Like I said, right on each side down there, you separate a clip here and a clip here, and this piece, the bottom piece, is attached so that you can just pull it past your fan and get it out of there without having to pull your fan shroud first. It's kind of nice. New radiator for 1-800-RADIATOR, and the part number is let's see here, a 1998 RK. Parquet. I hope it's the right radiator. It looks really big, but yeah. Yep, looks good. Let's just set it here very gently. Got a little tie strap tag right there we got to get out of there. Well, I do these all day long. So simple. Nice to get something easy for a change. All right, fan shroud's connected. And next thing we're going to do is just drop that radiator down. Fan's blowing on me. I hope you're not hearing all that noise, but let's get the radiator set back down inside there. Line up those hooks down there. I believe we're already in. Looks like it anyway. $12 there. 12 on the very bottom down here. Again, on our side. Oh, my hand don't quite bend like that. Let's see. Oh, it's up top. Right there. One on the very, very bottom on this side. Yeah, I tell you what, yeah, definitely if you watch this video, I think watch the next one on the Camaro. I think you'll like it. Let's put this little dryer back on here. Now let's grab our front grill on this thing. I'm probably gonna have to strap this in there somehow because, like I said, it was broken and so many of the clips on it. I think the only one good is in that corner. It was just kind of wasn't even really attached that well. Yeah, definitely gonna have to get something that'll hold that thing in there. So there we are. Top and bottom radiator hose. These things are full of rust. There. Geez. I'm gonna see if I can talk them in a couple hoses. Got our clips down on the bottom. Let's try to get a picture of that. This little fan shroud piece on the bottom of our radiator to attach is what I'm talking about. Just got to pick it up, slide it on the clip there. One on this other side. And I'm going down underneath and make sure that it's in those. The camera just fell. So we'll finish this one up. That's just a simple radiator install. You don't have to flush it at this point. Like I said, your top and bottom hose, connect those on your bottom transmission lines underneath. There's a little cover underneath with some 12s that go in front of the radiator, a little stick and rock guard that you'll take off. All right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and watch some others while you're at it. And we're moving right along, video after video. Talk to you soon. Enjoy.